Do you like this project and do you like to make exactly the same as I did? Then stay tuned because I have a kit for you guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what's inside the Very Wood Keepsake treehouse box kit? Well, everything is inside except for the plain cardstock. That is never inside a kit, so don't look for it. Don't say there is no cardstock in it. There isn't. Only design paper and everything else, but no cardstock. So that is the first thing that I like to tell you. No cardstock. You can choose any color you like, any brand you like, any thickness you like. Just use your own cardstock. Alright, but for the rest, there is the beautiful flowers with the bow. Everything is inside. I have a big pile of all the embellishments, the beads, the brads, the eyelets, the charms. Everything is inside. The ribbons, of course, and another big bag with all the washi tape, the big feet, everything. The knob for the top, everything is inside. There is a little welcome note with the measurements. But the measurements I also give you during the tutorial, so you don't need this exactly, but it's just a nice welcome note for whoever wants this kit. And then of course the chipboard for the outside keepsake box, and of course 78 sheets of the Very Wood paper pack. So guys, what are the papers? I'm going to show you real quick. This is the cover, the back. I love the back, so cute. All the little tags are inside, the dots, the leaves, the little flower, the mushroom papers, the dots, all these quotes and these little square, little cute little images are. Everything is inside, guys. Everything. Another cutout sheet. Love the green, love the brown flowers. Of course, could not resist adding some butterflies in this paper collection. This word page I love. Here we have some cutouts, so amazing with the stamps and everything, and then this cute little envelope, a few words: daydreaming, precious, believe. Love these tags, these notes, these note cards, absolutely stunning. Absolutely, I love it. I hope you love it too. So this is what is inside the kit. So everything is inside, guys. Just send me an email. Everything is inside. Little welcome note. Everything. Chipboard. Everything is inside. You can make exactly the same project as I did right here. So send me an email, guys, and you can make this. Send me an email. The email address is under every description box in my YouTube channel video. So just send me an email and you can get this. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. See you. Bye bye.